Jam guys, this is Eddie Roy from Shillong, Meghalaya. Yeah. On 5th of January, I was in Calcutta and I attended the unveiling ceremony of Kailak in South City Mall, Calcutta. And there I was approached by the Skoda team present there in the unveiling ceremony. And they asked me a few things about Kailak, what is my impression, without knowing that, I am myself an YouTuber. So I opined about the Kailak. And so I am sharing that video with you because I requested the Skoda team out there to share that video with me, which they did very recently. Here is the video which was recorded by the Skoda team in Calcutta in South City Mall on the 5th of January. I would like you to have a look at it and please opine if you agree with my observation about the Kailak, and if yes, it's good. If not, why you do not agree with me? I'll appreciate your feedback on this. Thank you very much. But at the same time, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends and family if you like it, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you very much. This was the video, and please opine and give your comments about what you feel about my opinion about the Kailak. Thank you very much.
How would you like to rate this car out of 10 by look? First of all, I would like to ask this question.
Well, I am a Skoda owner. I drive a Kushaq. So I have seen it on the website, on YouTube, etc. And this is the first time I'm having a look. What I find here, look-wise, this looks awesome, fantastic, and this is very well-proportioned vehicle. If we look at it in the totality, then you will find, unlike some other, its competitor in the market, I will not name them, so they don't look that much well-proportioned. But this is very much well-proportioned in shape. So this is number one. This looks, this is a little bit higher than Kushaq. This is a little bit wider than Kushaq. Though it is a, little compact car than Kushaq, but still its road presence will be much more better, I would imagine. So it looks awesome. I'll go inside, and I have not checked the inside in person, but I'll do that very soon, and I'm sure I'll be impressed. Because Skoda cars, they are known for class. They are known for class. Exactly. This interior, exterior, everything, they are premium brands. So they will give you classy exterior and classy interiors. So according to me, it's one of the, it has closed more than 10,000 bookings.
Yes, right.
I know it. So, by the way, I'm also having a YouTube channel, so I do follow cars.
Oh wow, that's great.
Yeah,
sir.
absolutely.
Sir, your YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name is ADR Vlogs, capital ADR Vlogs. V for
Vlogs. Yeah,
vlogs.
Right.
Yeah.
So, sir, what would you say about the price range of this car?
Well, I would even my assessment of the price range of the car is that in order to gather some ripples in the market, Skoda has priced its base variant very competitively at 7.89 lakhs. So if you look at the next variant, which will be something like 1.70 lakhs more than the base variant, and then the next variant, Signature Plus, will be something like 1.80 lakhs more than the Signature variant, and Classic is about 1.95 lakhs more than the Signature Plus variant. Now that would appear very high to people, but I'll tell you, I'll explain to your audience that unlike other models of the category, it does not have 30-40 variants. It has got only 4 variants. Of course, 4 manual, 3 automatic, right? So, because of only 4 variants, the difference between the prices between the variants appear to be a little bit high, but it is not actually the case. The case is because they have priced the base variant low to make it, market to shake up.
Yeah.
Okay, and they have been able to do it. They have done it, right?
True,
so
true.
according to me, the price of the things is, though it appears that variant to variant it is going up 1.7 lakhs, 1.8 lakhs, something like that.
Yes, truly.
4 variants there, only 4 variants. 40 वेरिएंट है नहीं, 30 वेरिएंट है नहीं, तो बीच में अगर हाँ कुछ ऐसा प्लस माइनस एस माइनस एस कर देता तो वो प्राइस डिफरेंस कम होता, लेकिन वो बात है ही नहीं. So this is the reason, but I would say that this is competitively priced. Even the top variant is at par of the top variant of its competition. I will not name them. Okay, let me name them: Nexon, XUV 3XO, Venue, Brezza. This is its competition. So top variants of this manual and the torque converter is competitively priced against them if you compare. But at this price, you are getting a German technology car, and
that's only Skoda can give you.
Well, थोड़ा हटके है.
Yeah.
If you want to be a part of the crowd, go to other dealers. If you want to stay a little हटके, थोड़ा हटके चलता हूँ ना, तब Skoda लो भाई. चलो ठीक है.
क्या बात सर. Thank you so much for this much needed review. Thank you. We will definitely follow your YouTube channel.
I'll be grateful.
Thank you. Thank you so much for talking with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.